guys, it's Claudette with Claudette's Charms back again. Just wanted to give you an update on my diamond painting that I'm finishing my first one, and a couple of kits that I got to hold my stuff, and there's wax and different placers to help place the diamonds on the canvas. I'll show you those. And then I also got a new one that I want to unbox. Well, I already unboxed it, but unwrap it with you and show you that. So, okay, the first one I got is this one. Let's see, I'm going to lift the plastic off the top so hopefully you can see it better. It's a picture. Let's see, let me hold it back first. See if you can see it. It's a cabin with a little trailer, an old-fashioned trailer, being pulled by a red truck. It didn't come with a regular picture of it. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it's better just to hold it back. So anyway, it's got a lake and all the trees in the cabin. I love it. And I'm almost finished with that. And it came just the regular kit that comes with all of them. It just came with, you get a little green tray like this, and you get one of these placers, just the single one. Let's see if I have it. It's actually just this without this 3 placement end. You just get the one single. So you can just put one diamond in at a time. And it came with a couple things of wax for you to put your diamonds to hold them. And then, so I decided I needed some more stuff, of course. I needed some kind of storage system to hold the diamonds because I was putting them in baggies. It was a mess. So I got this on Amazon. It comes in this little case, and it has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these. And these are great to hold the diamonds. They come up like this, and you just pour the diamonds inside there. They're really easy. And they come with these labels. So here they are filled with my diamonds for this painting. And I put the number that corresponds on the side. They give you on the diamond painting a list of the colors and the numbers. And so I put those on there on the labels, and they're easy to find. You just go ahead and dump them in your little tray. And then this kit came with a couple more trays, larger trays. This one has some diamonds in it, but this one's nice because when you're placing multiple, I'll show you. I got some multiple placers. So what you do is you fill your diamonds like that. You shake them up like that and get them lined up. And this one has ridges where they line up easier. And then you can take your multi-placer, sorry, you can't really see, and you can just push it down on there and you're able to lift them. There's all kinds of tutorials that show you. But that's what I liked about that tray. And this kit came with a straightener. So between your lines, you can straighten your diamonds out with this. It came with 3 of these multi-placers. Actually, yeah. This one might have been in this new set. It actually, I think, came with just these 3 and then maybe a single placer. Okay, and then it came with some tweezers. And if you want to put these on your placers, you can, to make it easier to grip, but I didn't need them. So it came with 3 of those, 3 placers, tweezers, trays, and the set, you know, with the 7 of these in there, and a bunch of labels. I can't remember how many, but they all came in this cute little bag that holds them all. And I will link this in the description if you guys want to check it out on Amazon. I think it was $13, $14 for everything. I don't know, it could have been less than that, but I'll link it. Oh, and then it also came with this rolling pin, so you can roll your diamonds, make sure they're sticking down. Really good. Oh, and it came with wax too. So what did I do with the wax? Oh, I left the wax over there. But it comes with a bunch of wax. And then this one I got because I knew I was getting a new kit and I'd have to do something with these leftover diamonds. So I think what I'm going to do, the ones that are left over from this painting, I'm going to store them. It comes in this. They're like little Tic Tac boxes inside this case. And I think there's 200 labels. And you can store them in here. You can also store the ones you're doing for your current painting if you want. And you put the label, I guess, on the top or on the side. I don't know. I don't know yet because I haven't done that yet. And it comes with I think it came with this one too, and I took it out. So 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 placers. This one I think is a 9 placer. There's a 6 placer and a 3, I think. Yeah. And then there's some wax in there too. A couple of green trays. Yeah. A couple of green trays. 2 tweezers. Gonna have a lot of tweezers. And what else? Was that it on that one? I think that was it for that kit. Yeah. So anyway, I will link those below. So if you want to get them, you can do that on Amazon. And then I bought a new painting on Amazon. So I'll show you this. It's gorgeous. It's a scene with a beautiful weeping willow tree. And it's a little bit larger, not too much larger, because I don't have a big workspace, so I wanted to keep it small. But here it is. Let's see if we can kind of make out what it's going to be. Look at that weeping willow. And then there's lilac trees, I think. A lake. Some pretty red flowers. It's just beautiful. I can't wait. So this is also fun. This and crocheting, you can't beat that. It's so fun and very relaxing too. And then it comes with, of course, all the diamonds that I need to organize. See, they have numbers on them. And then there's the corresponding, on here, the corresponding graph that shows what colors are what numbers and where to put them. And then they have the symbols matching on the canvas, so you know where to place them. So yeah, it's all good, it's all fun. Stay calm, carry on, crochet, knit, diamond paint, and relax. And loom knit, don't forget that. Anyway, hope you guys are having a great day. Thanks to all my subscribers. Thanks for watching and hanging in there with me till the end of the video, I hope. If you like, please like and subscribe. And I will see you guys soon. Have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.